Chocolate chip cookies. Ingredients: 2¼ cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup butter, softened, 3/4 cup white sugar, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, 2 cups chocolate chips. Instructions: preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, mix the flour, baking soda, and salt. In a large bowl, beat the butter, white sugar, and brown sugar until creamy. Add the vanilla extract and eggs. Mix well. Gradually add the dry ingredients and mix until combined. Stir in the chocolate chips. Drop spoonfuls of dough onto a greased or parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown.